For years, inspections started with paper, pens, and manual notes. We followed the same routine every single time. But we noticed something important. Effivity QR-based inspections. Inspections have always started the same way, walking into the site with a pad, a pen, and a lot to note down. But we noticed something important, the QR code already there, waiting to be used better. This was the moment we questioned the process. Why carry paperwork when the data already exists on site? So we built a simpler way. The inspection moves to the mobile, right where the inspector is. One scan connects the inspector directly to the right asset, the right checklist, the right context. No rewriting, no guessing, everything appears instantly, structured and ready. The work feels lighter now, because the focus is on the inspection, not the paperwork. And the pen and pad stay behind, a small sign of a bigger change in how inspections get done. QR-based inspections removed paperwork from the field. And that is how one simple scan transformed inspections faster, cleaner, and completely paper-free. Start using this feature in Effivity right now.